So as you can see, this is a very simple method. It's all about just finding the market first and then putting a product in front of that market. So to recap, you first find the Instagram influencers, ask them for a shout out, try to negotiate the price, try to get a shout out in the range of $10 to $40, and then you would do a little bit of research on their niche, try to find out what is or what designs are appealing to their audience, and then you go ahead and create the product using Printful. Okay, and then once you get the hang of this and you start profiting from it, you can eventually scale up. I recommend you try to develop a system for your business so you can scale up faster. Okay, I want to wish you the best of luck, and I also want to end with a disclaimer saying that I'm not guaranteeing anything in this course, and this is for education purposes only. So again, I want to wish you the best of luck, and let me know if you have any other questions about this method.